Hello, I'm Anchal Bhandari. Welcome to my LifePage. Today we are here to talk about pre-sales for IoT. But before that, I would like to introduce myself. So initially I did my BTech from Computer Science from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, which is in Dehradun. Then I got placed as a Java developer. Then I switched to front-end in Angular. So while I was an Angular developer, I went as a speaker for two of the international conferences. One was for India, that was India's Angular conference. Now let me introduce you what is an IoT thing. So IoT is Internet of Things. So for example, now currently all of us, we have smart watches, we've got smart cars. This is exactly what is IoT is. So where everything in your life has become smart. So I work currently for pre-sales of IoT, where my work is to design a technical solution for companies which are manufacturing units, industrial units, and also smart home kind of a thing. And I also create demos for them and I present them to the client. That is called as pre-sales for IoT. So you should be well versed with technologies both for the front end and back end. For the front end, you should be well versed in JavaScript. And for the backend, Java would suffice. Even we have other languages, for example, Python and other. But these front-end and backend knowledge is really much required. And also you should be updated with a lot of technologies. For example, the latest databases that are being coming along, and what are the platforms that people are coming in the market and working on IoT. So, the next important thing is you should have a vision, you should have an analytical skills for implementing your technical thing into somebody's business idea. For example, there is a solution that you need to provide. You can only provide when you have a vision to implement your technical thing into their business domain. Then only it's going to be a perfect thing. So one thing it is that it is not a monotonous role, like you don't have to go at 9, come back at 6, or you're just working on your laptop for hours. It's not like that, it's very dynamic. You can get a call that you have to travel in next 4 hours and you will have to go. So it's very dynamic, and so is the role. For example, you can get any kind of problem from any kind of domain, maybe manufacturing, maybe something which is related to school, something which is related to colleges. So it's a dynamic role. You have to find out very dynamic solutions to different problems of the client. So basically, it's a 24/7 work. You are working or probably you're on a holiday and there comes a client call. You have to handle it there and there itself. There is no festival. There is no, there's no personal life. It's that you have to be available 24/7. And one thing I really have to mention is that I have 3 or 4 monitors that I work upon. It's not just one monitor. I work with 3 or 4 monitors, and there is my AI thing. I'm working on other things as well. So you have to keep on working for your technical thing. Then you have meetings. Then there are a lot of coffee breaks in between where you catch up with your colleagues, you talk about what they are doing in their client projects, what I am doing, and we share the knowledge. And then when you come back, it's not the day off. You have to again attend some client meetings. You maybe have to attend some calls, and then you're dead and then you have to sleep then. So guys, I hope that I was able to give you a balanced overview of the IoT pre-sales. So all the best, go ahead, explore, and all the best again. Thank you.